Can I tell you something shocking? The biggest lie English learners tell themselves is, I can't speak English. But the truth is, you can already speak some English. You know words. You know sentence. You understand basic conversation. So what's the real problem? Confidence. Today is day 13 of our 30 days English Fluency Challenge. And today we were going to replace I can't speak English with I am learning English. I am learning to speak English. And that's a small change can completely transform your confidence. Hello everyone, I am Nigam from Bihar. Welcome back to day 13 of our English Fluency Challenge. If you have reached day 13, congratulations. You are proving that consistency is stronger than skills. Today's lesson is all about confidence and positive self-talk. No, your words create your reality. Think about this. If every day you say, my English is weak, I can't speak English, English is difficult, your brain starts believing it. But if you say, I am improving, I am learning every day, I will become fluent, your brain starts working toward that goals. The words you speak to yourself matter. Stay with me till the end because I am going to give you 5 powerful confidence sentences that you must repeat every day. This sentence can change your mindset completely. Now this mosam is completely changed. I think it's raining time. So first we need to record video. After that, weather is gone. Part 2. The confidence formula. Confidence doesn't come from action. Confidence comes from action. Many students think, when I become confident, I will speak English. No. The opposite is true. Speak English first, confidence will follow. Part 3. Day 13 Challenge. Today's challenge has 3 simple tasks. Task 1. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak English for 2 minutes. Task 2. Record your voice. Listen without judging yourself. Task 3. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Whenever you think, I can't speak English, immediately say, I am improving my English every day. Part 4. Confidence practice. Now repeat after me loudly. I can learn English. I can learn English. I improve every day. I improve every day. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. I will speak English fluently. Again, I will speak English fluently with energy and confidence. Part 5. Imagine 2 students. The first student say, I can't do it. The second student say, I will keep trying. After 1 year, who improved more? Of course, the second students. not because they are smarter, but because they believed in their progress. Here are the 5 sentences I promised. Repeat them every morning. I believe in myself. I'm improving every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. English is becoming easier for me. I will speak English confidently. Save this sentence and practice them daily. So, this was day 13 of our 30 days English fluency challenge. Today's mission: speak English front of a mirror, record your voice, repeat the 5 confidence sentences, and comment below. I believe in myself. And if you completed today's challenge right, day 13 completed. I will see you tomorrow in day 14. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English. Bye bye.